Which is better, Facebook campaigns or YouTubers? I don't know if that's...
Explain.
What? I don't know. Okay, I guess I'm gonna reword that question into which is better, Facebook ads or YouTube YouTube ads?
Oh, yeah.
I'd say quickly right now, like
Alright.
I'd say Facebook is the shit. Like go with Facebook ads in terms of, you know, brand awareness, getting your message out there. In terms of YouTube ads, I think it's good right now, but it's not nearly as powerful as Facebook ads.
Yeah.
I think if you're trying to get people to, if you want to, say you have two pieces of content that you're promoting to both Facebook and YouTube, but you want people to go to your YouTube, post the main piece of content on YouTube, create a small 30-second version of it on Facebook, run a Facebook ad campaign on that, and entice people to go back and watch on your YouTube, because the psychology of people on Facebook and on YouTube is insanely different. People will go on YouTube with the intent of watching long-form content. 1 minute, that means like 60 seconds and on, watching tutorials, watching vlogs. With people watching on Facebook, they want something entertaining, they want something quick, which is why you might see memes, you see people, because most people on Facebook, when they watch video, the audio is off, and which is why you see a lot of it with subtitles, and a lot of it is also short form. It's not exactly like 20-minute videos, 10-minute videos. Most of it is fairly short because people are on there to mainly connect with their friends, share something cool. When you're hanging out with your friends, you want to be the cool guy that has like, yo, I found this out today. You have the inside information. Yeah. Make your content so it's shareable in a sense. You want, and that falls under the categories of, is it educating, is it educational, empowering, or entertaining. So that way, if your content falls under that small little, if your micro content, let me just back that up. If your micro content falls under those three, you're good to go in terms of promoting it on your Facebook ads, leading it back into a YouTube video. So it's a little bit more of a, not so much of either or for me. It's like,
not one's better than the other. You can actually make one work for the other.
Yeah, so it's like you can find a way to work it together. So yeah, it has to be valuable to the people on the other end of the screen. It can't just be useless 30 seconds of you, I don't know, just shimmying, unless it's somehow really entertaining. And that itself provides value to other people.